Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, OSTV underscore T7J. I'm here this morning on a little job for one of my customers that I do work for. She has a toilet that she took out, and it was a flush emitter toilet. So I took that out and opened the wall and redo the plumbing and make it uh, a regular tank and bowl, a high seat tank and bowl actually that she wanted. So I open the wall, I do the plumbing, and now I'm putting in back a few pieces of tile that I open the wall of the space and open the space to do the plumbing. So I'm putting in back a few pieces of tile and going to grout it afterwards. After it's set, I'm gonna grout it, and then after that, I'm gonna install the new toilet. So I just want you guys to stick and stay with me and see what I'm doing. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. All right. I'm mixing up some tin set right now. So just stick and stay with me and see what I'm doing. All right. It's just a couple pieces of tile that I'm going to put in. So I don't have to mix up a whole bunch of tin set. So just stay with me. All right. I have tin set. I have one piece of tile that I had to cut. So I cut it already. So just come with me and let me show you guys what I'm doing. All right. Gotta go back inside because I'm outside doing all of this mixing and stuff and cutting. I don't want to cut it inside the house, you know, too much dust. And I don't want any dust in there. So just come with me. You see, this is the piece of wall that I'm fixing back. I'm putting tiles. I'm patching back out here, then I'm gonna put the tile it back here. Right? So just stick and stay and look and see what I'm doing. Alright. I'm gonna cut this piece to put inside of here. Alright. So just stick with me. I'm gonna go and cut this piece and come back and then put it in and put in the rest of pieces then. All right. If you hear a little bit of noise, it won't be long. All right. It'll be real quick. All right. See, I cut the piece that I'm gonna put in. All right. That wasn't long with the knife. It was very short. So I cut the piece. So I'm gonna put this piece in, and then I have a couple more pieces to cut. So stay with me and till I put this piece in and thing. All right. All right, guys. You see, I put in the third piece. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 more pieces left to put in, and I'm gonna put in those 3 pieces. I'm gonna cut them now. Put in those 3 pieces, and then after that, we're gonna let it set. And once it's set, I grout it out. And after I grout it out, I clean it up and install the toilet. All right. So just stick with me, stay with me until I'm finished. All right.